how to download XAMPP in your Windows computer. So hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can download and install the XAMPP in your Windows computer, and during the installation I will also show you how you can set up the XAMPP for phpMyAdmin in Windows 11 as well. So if you don't know about the XAMPP, then XAMPP is a free and open source package that provides a development environment for creating web applications on Windows. So why I said that, I will also show you how you can configure the phpMyAdmin using the XAMPP. So to install the phpMyAdmin on Windows 11 easily, it is generally a best idea that you use it with XAMPP, as it already includes the phpMyAdmin along with database server like MySQL. So let me show you how you can download the XAMPP for your Windows 11 computer system. So the first thing that you need to do is open any web browser of your choice. Let it be the Google Chrome, the Microsoft Edge, Mozilla Firefox, or any other web browser that you are compatible with. So for the sake of this demonstration, I will be using Google Chrome. So here you can see I am in my Google Chrome, and then you need to search for XAMPP download. And once you have searched for it, hit the enter button, and here you can see the first link that says download XAMPP from www.apachefriends.org. So apachefriends.org is the official website where you can download the XAMPP. So click on this download button, and here is the XAMPP for Windows browsers, Linux, as well as for OS X. So since currently we are looking for the Windows, you need to download it from this particular table right here. So I'm gonna download the version 8.2.12, which seems to be the latest version among all of these three. So simply click onto this download 64-bit button, and here you can see that our download has started. So as you can see, the download is around 150 megabytes, and we will need to wait to finish this download. So as here you can see that the download process for XAMPP has been successfully concluded. So now we will proceed on to install the XAMPP application into our Windows, and during the installation we will make sure that we also include the PHP admin as well. So if a notification appears asking for permission, you need to click yes onto the notification, and here you can see the XAMPP setup. It says important because an activated user account control on your system, some function of XAMPP are possibly restricted. So that's okay for me. So here it says welcome to the XAMPP setup wizard. Click onto the next button, and from here you can see under the program languages this says phpMyAdmin. So for all those who are watching this, in order to install phpMyAdmin into your system, you need to make sure that phpMyAdmin is indeed selected from this list. And for other users, you can choose all of the languages that you want from this particular option. So once you are done with that, click onto the next button, and then you need to choose the destination folder to install the XAMPP. So I'm gonna go with the default destination folder, and then click onto the next button, and then the preferred language would be in my case English, and then I will click onto the next button, and here it says ready to install. So click onto the next button, and here you can see that the installation for XAMPP has finally begun. And once the installation will be successfully completed, we will be able to launch our XAMPP in our Windows 11 computer. So let us wait for the installation process to finish. And here you can see that our installation process is nearly completion, and now the process of installation has been successfully completed, and it says setup has finished installing XAMPP on your computer. Do you want to start the control panel now? So if you wish to launch the XAMPP, simply click onto this particular check mark and then click the finish button. And now let's wait to launch the XAMPP. And here is the XAMPP right here, and you can view a number of modules that we have installed, which includes the Apache MySQL, FileZilla, Mercury, and Tomcat modules, and you can start them or configure them according to your wish. To access the shell, simply click onto this shell button, and then you can access the shell. So that's how easily you can download and install the XAMPP with the my phpMyAdmin installed. So that's it for this video. If this video was helpful to you, consider giving this video a like. Do tell us in the comments how it went for you, or if you have any suggestions or questions to ask. And also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such exciting and helpful content. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.